What's up, Throdle? Do you want to check out one of the most insane Lambo wraps? Well, keep on watching, as today, you're in for a ride. Hi, I'm Nadine, the co-founder of Throdle, and today I'm in sunny Phoenix at Stratton Motor Cars with my buddy Alex.
Hi Nadine.
Hey Alex.
Hey guys, I'm Alex Jones, owner and operator of Stratton Motor Cars here in Arizona, and I'm here today to show you a 2016 Lamborghini Huracan LP610-4. This is a customer car of ours that we've done a little bit of work on so far. We're about halfway through the full build process, and we'll go into a little bit about where we are and where we're headed, and we're going to go for a ride.
Sounds great.
Here at SMC, we offer a wide range of services, as I mentioned earlier, all in the appearance and performance area. That's window tint, vinyl wrap installation, wheels and tires, suspension modifications. We can do body kit installations, exhaust systems, and also performance tuning. There's a very long list of automobiles that we can offer tunes for from a very reputable source as well. What sets us apart was I really wanted to build this company and this business based on just a couple of very simple core values. Our customers can expect every single time their car's in our shop is, regardless of how much money you're spending or the caliber of car you own or how big or small the project is, we're gonna treat that car like it's our own and give it the care that it needs. They have a different experience with us. You know, when they come in, I learn who they are. I personally sit down with them while they're waiting for their car and learn about why they bought that car, what their job is, what's their history, so that I can build a relationship with that person and a level of trust that will be a customer for a long period of time.
So Alex, thanks to the ride, and this is such a gorgeous view of Paradise Valley, isn't it?
It is, it's beautiful. And you can see the entire valley from up in the mountains here in Paradise Valley. It's amazing.
So when Amir first came to you with his car, what was his plan?
Didn't have one at first, honestly.
Okay.
He obviously bought the Lamborghini, younger guy, and it was pretty apparent that it wasn't enough. He wanted something really unique. He didn't want to be the normal Huracan around town. There's a lot of these around this area, so he wanted to stand out and have something kind of nuts. And so he came to me with the idea to have this entire car done in this gold chrome that we've actually ended up using as accents instead. What a lot of people don't know about chrome wraps in general, they're very difficult. They're expensive, they don't last as long, and sometimes they don't hold up as well, and they can show water spots and stains all over them. So there's something you have to maintain a lot more, and it's a lot more expensive. So that was a little bit of a turnoff for him. He's kind of a turnkey type of guy, doesn't want to have to worry about it. So the next thing was like, well, let's do a carbon fiber wrap, and this was a newer color at the time from 3M called Shadow Black. And so I gave him a few options with the idea of let's do something crazy that's a little bit understated and use that gold chrome as the accent to really make it stand out. And this is something that he picked immediately. It kind of has an appearance of forged carbon. This shadow has a lot of diversity and it changes a lot, and from a distance it actually looks just like forged carbon. So he chose this and we ran with how to do the accents. As you see kind of throughout the car, we used the factory body lines in it. The hood indents here, the roof triangles that go across the top are already there, which you don't really see that often when the car is just a standard paint job. So did the inlays in the front spoiler, on the hood, the roof, the mirror, the mirrors. While the mirrors were off, we kind of played around with that a little bit. One thing about Lamborghinis, if you want to wrap them properly with no seams down the doors, you have to take the door apart, the glass out of the car, the mirrors off the car. So yeah, we did little gold posts on it to just add a little bit of detail there. Inside the cockpit of this car, you know, true Lamborghini fashion has designed things like jets and like fighter jets. So the vents look like engines, you know, everything is very toggle switch like an airplane would be. Of course, the fighter jet inspired ignition switch here. But really from a user interface here in the steering wheel, turn signals are more like a motorcycle. Yeah. Same thing with your windshield wipers. The paddles are great. They're large in size. They're fixed on the steering column. So one thing about a lot of cars that have paddles, they're on the steering wheel. Yeah. And when you're turning the wheel, you got to find which paddle it is. And if you're not familiar with it, or you know, you're not sure which one is going to upshift or downshift. So having them fixed, you can drive the car and steer it while maintaining your up and down gear changes in the same location. Well,
let's check out this engine.
Let's check it out. Yes. So here, obviously more of a rear / mid-engine car. You zoom in on some of these forged carbon engine covers are really nice. You can kind of see the resemblance of forged carbon versus what the wrap design somewhat looks like. But
it is similar.
Yeah, it is similar. It's cool. But yeah, nestled in there is your big Lambo V10. scroll down in the comments, tag Stratton Motor Cars, ask me any question you want. More than happy to answer anything for you guys, whether you're local or not. If you have any questions about builds or projects or advice, reach out. Make sure that you get on the Throdle app and download that as well.
We had so much footage today that we're going to save a lot of it for the Throdle app, so please watch it there. And in the meantime, you can subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you get notified when we upload Alex's E63, and you're not going to want to miss that. So thanks for watching, and join us next time as Throdle's driving connections and fueling experience.